to turn on or turn off color correction shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, scroll down and click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, scroll down and click on Color Correction. After click on Color Correction, you will see if you want to turn on Color Correction shortcut, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Color Correction shortcut is turned on. If you want to turn off Color Correction shortcut, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Color Correction shortcut is turned off. You will turn on or turn off color correction shortcuts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off color correction shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.